What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I have my Ipsy box to unbox with you. This is the creator box. So I do have my regular glam bag and my glam bag plus. We're gonna see what's inside. A quick moment, I just want to say thank you so much. This is my first time filming since Mr. Minners, one of my kitties, if you guys don't know, had some serious health problems going on. And all of your support on Instagram, I know I haven't talked about it here, is just so appreciated. We have a follow-up tomorrow, so please send your thoughts, prayers, vibes, whatever you got for my little boy. He is the sweetest boy and he's been feeling really rough. Well, it's probably the day that you're seeing this that we're getting blood work. So fingers crossed everything came out good and we're looking for good results. So I just want to say thank you, that just the support and messages has been really amazing. If you didn't see my previous upload, which YouTube is really hiding it, so please, if you have a second, take a look. I did a get ready with me using a lot of my favorite products, starting with my favorite jewelry that I've been wearing all year long. I've layered all of my favorite pieces, my earrings and necklaces today, but that video is a really fun get ready with me. I get asked for them all the time. Like, people say, oh, I'd love to see you create the eye look. I need a tutorial, get ready with me. But every time I post them, they do not, like, YouTube just hides them. So if you like that type of video, make sure to check out my previous one. I'll put it right up here for you. Anyway, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy. We have a lot. We have a lot to unpack. So before we open the bags, they actually sent some Refreshments. So of course, Refreshments is an additional subscription that you can get, which is all like body care type products. And I really liked everything that I've gotten for Refreshments so far. The shave cream, which they actually sent another one, is really nice. I had another razor. This is a different one. I love the razor, shave cream. The body wash was really nice. So they did include the Pillowy shave cream again. Same scent, citrus spritz, which is like a little citrusy with like a hint of like musk. I don't really know how to put it. It's not uberly sweet if you're not into that, but yes, it's a nice smell and it feels very nice, really nice to shave with. They also sent the Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. It says pink bubbly, so this is gonna be a different razor than the one I have. I'm really excited to see. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this one comes in it. You've got the handle, 2 razor heads, and then what is this? You have a magnetic wall mount. Wow. The sleek mount sticks to any surface, connects magnetically to your handle, and for an inverted dry drip. So let's see how it, oh, there you go. And it's got like a brighter pink grip on it. It's got a nice feel to it. It's like a little bit weighted in the bottom, but it looks nice. I think these are also different than my previous one, but I already like the other one, so I am stoked. I really like this too. And then this I have not tried. This is the Oh My Moisture shampoo, and it's called Freesia Float. Oh, that's nice. It's like a florally, obviously florally scent, but it smells nice, and that's what it looks like. That's a big old tube of shampoo, so I'll definitely try this out. It's vegan, no parabens, phthalates, or sulfates. That's really cool. I'm definitely gonna try that. I'm excited to get this, all of this, in my shower really soon. All right, so for November, we have the Royal Treatment theme. I love the green velvet. It's like holiday vibes for sure. Little gold zip. You have, is that red? It's like a cranberry almost, cranberry maroon on the zip, but it's just like this velvety green. So of course, $12 a month for Ipsy, and we're gonna see what we got. All right, first up, we got Sugar Rush Cake Butter, whipped body butter. I have been wanting to try this actually, and then I'm like, wait, did I get this? Cake butter, which is a whipped body butter. I keep wanting to say cake batter. This smells a lot like Brazilian Bum Bum cream. I think they totally like recreated that scent, because it's like, it's not 100%, but it's really close. It's not quite as good. This is just a little bit more, slightly more generically sweet, but it's still really nice. My hand feels amazing. So it's definitely that time of year. We can use a lot of moisture. So I'm pretty pleased with that one. Let's see what we got next. This is Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. I've actually wanted to try Glossier for a long time, and I have never tried their products. I know a lot of people are probably like, girl, you're late. This looks a lot like lip balm, so I need to remind myself this is a face wash. So it's just a mini guy, just a ½ ounce of face wash, but it's enough to see what it's like. I've always wondered if Glossier was really worth the hype. I've heard like great things, and then I've heard like, no, it's not worth it. So I'm glad to try that one out. It's a really exciting one to try for me. We also have, this is Sophia and Mabel. I thought this was ColourPop lip for a minute, but this is a tinted lip oil. This is what it looks like. It's a cute kind of simple packaging. I guess I'll put some on. I just have like a nude lip liner and a little bit of nude lipstick. Feels nice. It's like a little oily, but also like cushiony on my lips. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. I don't believe I've ever tried anything from them, but I'll definitely use this again. It's called Beach Please is the color. It's just kind of pinky as far as I can tell, but I'll have to try it on bare lips really soon. Next up, we got Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. Also not familiar with this brand. Let's put it, let's see, Body Butter's sunk in. So let's put this on top. It's like a little whitish. Oh, it's Seraphin. I'm so stupid. Y'all, I'm so stupid. This is Seraphin Botanicals. I have tried this brand. A few things, pretty good, kind of hit and miss. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really cute. I just didn't see the words up here. Oh, a little bit of a slip, but mostly creamy and a little luminosity to it. So I will most certainly try this out. It feels kind of nice. It's kind of like a little hint of tackiness to it, which I like out of my hydrating primers. I like to like a little grip to it. So I will try that out very soon. Next up, we got Briogeo. I actually used this today. Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So I love Briogeo. I really like their products. I really want to order the hair mask and the bear. I've heard good things about it, and I have other things in my cart, but I'm like, no, I don't need it. So anyway, so we got Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. Really excited for that one. This is a pretty good assortment. I like the Briogeo, the Cake Butter, the Glossier Cleanser. This lip seems really nice so far. It feels good on my lips. And then of course we got the primer. I think this is a really nice assortment for Glam Bag. Even though they're, you know, your deluxe sample sizes, I feel like I'll still get a lot of use out of this. I like that I can try more things with this. So that is our Ipsy Glam Bag. And now let's move on to the Plus. This is definitely very royal looking. You've got this navy bag, crown heart star, and then your gold strings. And I always talk about how much I love these because they're just really useful for a million different reasons. So let's see what we got in the Plus for $25. Okay, I think I ordered this one time on pop-up. On pop-up or something like that. This is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask with 8 Super Orange Essence. So this is the bulks. Like I said, I do believe I have this. I feel like Yensa is such a brand that is overlooked, but I absolutely love their, is it Luminizer Primer? Something like that. Their primer and their silk bronzing base. Love them. I actually have it. It's usually front and center. This is the bronzing base. I talked about this in my favorites in the last video. Love their products. So here is the tube. I can't remember if I've actually tried this or maybe I just recently purchased it and then kind of just put it as like a backup, but I'm definitely keen to use this because like I said, what I've tried I've loved so much, so I'm happy to get this. And it says you just put it on clean damp skin, 5 to 10 minutes, massage in circular motions with warm water, and then rinse clean 3 to 4 times a week. All right, so I'm very happy for the first item. Let's see what's next. Next up, ooh, Il Makiage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color. And this is the shade Bella. I don't think I have a lipstick from them. Definitely not in this packaging. Oh, it's beautiful. It's got like this matte textured look to the bullet. It's so pretty. I guess I'll give it a swatch. It's like I almost don't want to ruin it, but I'm gonna use it, so. Ooh, oh dear. And then I rubbed my finger on it. This looks really, I love Il Makiage products too. Like once again, what I've tried, I've loved. And this is the shade Bella. It's a nice holiday red. Like this is classic red. I love it. I'll definitely be wearing this soon. And it feels very like velvety. Even though it says matte, it feels like super creamy velvety. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Looks really smooth on my hand too. Next up, we got Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Liquid Lash. I don't know if it's this mascara, but I've definitely had a mascara from them before. This is definitely going to be just like a, hey, I'm going to put it as a backup because I have enough open mascaras right now. So it says it's for length and volume. I am sometimes now excited for mascaras. You guys know, if you used to watch me for like years, then you know Sephora gratis hauls used to be so many mascaras and I never wanted to get mascaras. Now I don't have as many. I've gone through some of my backups, so it's nice to get them, but I'm not like incredibly excited for this one. But considering that I love the first two items, I still feel like this is really good. No complaints, just, you know, I could be a little bit more excited. It's fine. Next up, we got BFF Best Face Forward Balancing Serum with AHA, BHA, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, oil-free, balances oil, prevents future breakouts. Best Face, oh shoot, I said beet cake. No. A BFF Best Face Forward Skincare. Okay, I don't know. They're a small account, but I feel like I've heard of this. I don't know why I'm hyper focused on that. But anyway, let's go ahead and open it. The box is just kind of plain, but you've got like little holographic dots on it. That's kind of cute. And it is cruelty-free, vegan, peroxide-free, paraben and SLS-free, and dermatologist tested. I actually really like the packaging. It's cute. I'm just gonna drop some. Oh, it's a little like, not extremely watery. It's almost like a little bit of a gel. Ooh, okay, then it's just like water after you start to massage it in. Oh, it feels very, very refreshing. It feels like it sinks in well. And I like the idea of this. AHA, BHA. Honestly, I love AHAs and BHAs. Hyaluronic acid is in my daily skincare routine morning and night. And then niacinamide is a great one as well. And preventing breakouts is something that I still need. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Sometimes with new products, I'm like, we'll see how it goes. But this one I'm very excited to use. Most anybody could use this, so I feel like that's an exciting one. And we got one more product in our plus. We got, oh, Danessa Myricks. This is Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color. And here is the packaging. I got some Danessa Myricks in I ordered the Trend Mood box, which was really cool. Okay, these go for $20. This goes on your cheeks. It says it's blush, eyeshadow, and lip color. I got the shade Tiara, which looks like the lightest shade, but it's like almost like a taupey kind of color. Okay, let's see. It's not gonna be a blush on me. So that's kind of interesting. Looks more like a highlight. Oh, it really melts into the skin. I can carry it onto my cheeks here for a little extra glow. Just melts in. Okay. It's just interesting that it's blush. Like it says blush, but then there's so many colors that look like they're, well, those are more blushy. This one's just interesting. Wherever you put it, it just melts. So it feels nice. It seems like you can just put this literally anywhere. I'm just gonna, just a dab. It's time for Mr. Minner's Medicine. This is an interesting product. I'm kind of thrown by the color. It seems to really melt in. Like even if it looks like it's sitting there, you just like tap, tap, tap and it's gone. So it gave like an extra glow. I don't know how I feel about it on the lips, but it seems like a really interesting product. And I'm right now very keen to try anything Danessa Myricks. So that's a really nice item to get for sure. I liked my Glam Bag a lot, but my Glam Bag Plus I think is really where it's at. Like I said, Yensa, love it. We got our new serum to try. We got a mascara, Il Makiage lipstick, and of course the Danessa Myricks product, which this one's gonna be one to really play with. I feel like you can do so much with it. So that is our plus, and that is it for this unboxing. I do have more unboxings coming over the next several days. I have my BoxyCharm Premium, and then I also have my Ipsy X. I might do that one like try on style when I have a bit more time. But yeah, it's time to go give the boy his steroids. He's gonna hate me for it, but he has to have his medicine, so I'm gonna go take care of that. Thank you guys so much for your support. Like I said, if you have a minute, please go watch my previous video and interact with it. I don't know what YouTube is doing. Maybe because I have paid promotion selected, it's like we're not gonna show people, but I love these jewelry pieces so much. If ever there was like a genuine thing for me to be sponsored by, this jewelry, I love it so much. So anyway, thank you again. I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you really soon in my next one. Bye guys.